We'll be providing you with information on creating an account and accessing your survey in the new CDPH online survey tool. You will have received an email asking you to create an account on the RSS platform. In the email, click on the Accept Invitation feature. You'll be asked to enter your username, which is your email address at work, and the temporary password that was provided in the email notification, and then select Sign In. You'll be asked to create your own unique password and enter it a second time, and then select the Send button. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to log in to inspect and review your surveys. Click on Inspection Reports to identify surveys in various statuses. You'll notice that your surveys are located in one of two statuses, either Sent to Responsible Person, which is for surveys that have outstanding issues yet to be addressed, and Done, which is where surveys are automatically moved once all items have been taken care of. There's a 30-day date range that allows you to see the most recent reports, but to view reports from a previous time, just click on the field and expand the date range using the calendar. Click on the report you're interested in viewing in order to see the results. Items that require attention are marked as read as not resolved. To enter your plan of corrections, select the ellipsis and select Mark as ready for verification. This will allow you to enter your plan of correction here. Select Save once you've entered all information regarding the plan of correction for this deficiency. You can also mark an item as in progress. For instance, you could select the ellipsis and mark it as in progress, and then enter comments there. Lastly, you have the ability to start a discussion. There is a discussion feature associated with each non-compliant issue. This will allow you to ask questions of the CDPH supervisor associated with the survey. You'll be able to search by their role. When you select Send, an email will be sent to the persons listed on the discussion, notifying them that there is a discussion ready for them.